Please retry with a different device. Use a VPN or other authentication method to sign in. I received this error while signing into my Outlook account. And how I permanently fixed this error, I will show you in this video. Unfortunately, I was not able to record my screen, but I was able to take the screenshot of the error. So first method is not a permanent solution, but a temporary fix mentioned in this error, that is use a VPN. You can use any free VPN, but I recommend you the VPN that I use. It is completely free. It is Proton VPN. So type Proton VPN in your browser and click here. It is its official website. Click Get Proton VPN and download and install it on your PC. After that, launch Proton VPN. Now click Connect. It is completely free for one user, unlimited bandwidth. After that, you will be able to sign in to your Outlook account, but it is a temporary fix because you have to use a VPN connection every time you want to sign into your Outlook account until Microsoft fix this error from their end. So what I did to permanently fix this error is I opened Windows settings, then selected network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and then reset now. So you can also reset your network. Click yes, and this process will take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your computer will start automatically. So before proceeding, save all your pending work. So when your computer restarts, you will be disconnected from the internet and you have to connect to your Wi-Fi manually. If this does not work, you can try another fix, which is connecting to another available internet connection. This will change your IP address and you will be able to sign into your Outlook account. If another internet connection is not available to you, then you can use your mobile data and connect your system to your mobile data through mobile hotspot. So open your mobile data, then turn on the mobile hotspot. Now open settings, go to network and internet, click Wi-Fi, then click show available networks. Your hotspot, mobile hotspot will be shown here, then connect to that network. After signing to your Outlook account, add other ways to sign in so that you can use those methods if any problem occurs. Okay. So that's all in this video. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.